If we want to go ahead and move to a point of no lead in the water in your school, then what are those incremental steps to get there? We know that the piping out on the street might be full of lead, so we have to start to replace that. That's a multi-year, multi-million-dollar projects. But in the interim, we will not allow kids to drink from the water fountains, and we'll bring in bottled water. It's the same kind of concept. To get to a place where kids are no longer drinking lead out of the faucets in their school, it took a long time of education, political will. Air quality is going to become comparable, and it is going to, the political will, I believe at this point, is there. Funding is also coming down, and I also look at what is the downside of improving your air quality. It is some energy penalties, and then there will cost more, but ultimately schools are there to educate those children, and it is our civic responsibility to make sure that environment is as conducive as possible to that learning environment. So yes, it is difficult, but at the same time, there was a time when schools didn't have any air conditioning, any heat, and that is just one of the decisions as societally that we've made. Air quality is not just about more fresh air. If you're in the California area, we don't want to be bringing in fire-laden air. So we have to start to migrate to having the levers and the capabilities to turn the air off or to filter it. And so I kind of see it as baby steps. Figure out what you have and then start to go system by system and improve their delivery of ventilation.